Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a budget on Bluecoins, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to the top of the screen and click on the three lines, and then you can see at the categories and budget section at the top of the screen the budget setup, and here you can set up your budget. Here you can select that one is daily, weekly, and so on. You can see the categories, and then you have to set up the money, and you can see at the bottom of the screen that you can set up budget for expense and for income as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.